As you guys might have seen, and you're probably annoyed by now, is I've been marketing my agenticjumpstart.com course. I haven't made an official video kind of announcing it, so this is my official video. I have my course published. It is ready to buy if you guys want to become better at using Claude Code or Cursor or learning what agentic coding is. Now, if you don't know what the term agentic coding is, maybe you're familiar with the term vibe coding. I would say agentic coding is a step below it where you're actually looking at the code, making sure you understand how it all works. You're reprompting to refactor things to make the code more maintainable and cleaning up magic numbers. It's a different approach to using AI, and I think vibe coding has given these LLMs a bad rap because there's a lot of people just shipping applications, not inspecting the code. This is not what I'm teaching in this course. I'm teaching you how to use Claude Code, how to use Cursor, how to use Opus 4.5, GPT 5.1, I mean 5.2 just came out basically today, so we can try that as well. Composer 1, and I basically have 70 different videos as of right now. I'm still publishing more videos when new stuff comes out. I want to make videos on it to kind of keep you guys up to date on the latest and greatest trends. And also I have about 11 hours of content as of right now. Now, the reason I'm so interested in agentic coding is because I have seen the productivity gains of learning how to do some of this stuff. For example, the basics is the first module. We talked about context engineering, how to do prompting, how to do spec-driven development, and various other things. And by doing these techniques, me and my Discord were able to build out this Automaker app in about 2 days. We've been kind of polishing it since then, but in 2 days, we have a complete, fully working application where we can go and actually just work on any of our side projects with a autonomous agent. So for example, I'm going to show you a real quick demo of Automaker, which by the way, you will get access to Automaker. It's going to become open source soon. Let's go over here. I'm going to say add a button to the header that says YOLO, and then I can kick that off. And now Claude Code is running in the background, and it's going to add in a feature. You'll actually see this update live in a bit. So I'll kind of keep this running. We'll talk. We can also hook in the codecs. Basically, a ton of features we added into this application, and we were able to ship so much in so little time. And I think when you actually get an understanding of how to prompt better and how to use these tools, you can sling out more code than ever. So while this is running, let's go back. The other module we're going to talk about is Cursor. So I show you how to set up Cursor. I tell you all the different features of Cursor. I will say that there are some features that I need to record videos for. And as Cursor and Claude Code come out with new features, I'm going to make more videos for them. So don't expect that this course is like a buy it once and it never updates. I'm going to be updating it, every week when stuff comes out. We also got the Claude Code section. You'll see here, there's a lot of coming soon, but some of the stuff is super easy to kind of make videos about. And then the fourth module, we actually build out a full stack application. So we're using TanStack Start, which is my favorite framework, and a lot of people are using it these days. We are using Drizzle for the ORM. We're using Postgres, ShadCN, Tailwind CSS. And you will learn basically how to get this whole thing built out using my workflows and getting it deployed out to Railway, like an actual working production with a database that's deployed out to Railway and also the app that's deployed out to Railway. And then also I'm going to just throw in some random bonus videos every once in a while. And then I'm going to start talking about autonomous coding. I think this is the future of agentic coding. And you can see up here, it added a YOLO button up here. Now, I didn't really prompt it too well. I should have told it, up here. And in fact, I could have taken a screenshot of this because again, this is something that we added in about 2 days. I could have taken a screenshot, saved it, and then it would have had context to know where I wanted that button. Okay. But as you can see, it basically the application itself is able to build on itself. And not only that, I can add in all my other side projects. Like for example, this Agentic Jumpstart course platform that I built all through agentic coding. This Survive the Night game that I've been kind of talking about on my channel. Again, this is like 95%, all the code is written by an LLM. Right? I basically just prompt Opus 4.5. I prompt GPT 5.1 to fix bugs, Composer 1 to do refactoring. This is using a WebSocket server. We have people basically join this and do a multiplayer game session together, all through agentic coding. So I do think there's a lot of power because you're able to build a lot of stuff very fast. And on top of that, there are some free things on this platform. If you want to go to agenticjumpstart.com, I do have, for example, some launch kits. So if you want some starter kits, if you just want to like clone a project and just hit the ground running that has all the things I mentioned, like TanStack Start, React, Drizzle, ORM, Postgres, and some others, you can just go and check out this repository. Now let's just go here, view the repository. This is all free. So even if you don't buy the course, this is a free starter kit. You can clone this and you can actually start building. And the reason I have this free is because in the course, we are going to be building off of this starter kit. That's one of the techniques I'll teach you is that usually agentic coding works best if you have a starting point, you have like an application that's kind of already built out, and then you come through and you create new plans and you refactor and you add in new features. So that's kind of what we talk about in the building a web application. We pull in that starter kit and we just start refactoring it and building a ton of new features to make it really a production ready application. And then on top of that, if you join my course, you will also get access to a list of agents. So I've been kind of publishing some of the agents I have found to be very useful along the way. For example, we have a clean code prompt where you can basically copy this into your own project, and this can be added to your prompts. Like for example, if you're using Cursor, you can drag that into your Cursor prompt to refactor code and make it cleaner. But I do expect other people to add in agents here, and we can all just kind of share what we've learned along the way. And then also we have a free Discord community. And honestly, there's a lot of AI hate going around from developers. I think it's crazy. I mean, like I have never felt as productive as I am now with all the stuff I've been doing and learning. So if you want to find a inclusive, friendly community that kind of talks about AI and shares what we've learned along the way, go join my free Discord community. You don't even have to join the course to be there. Now, I do want to let you know the price currently is discounted. So I'm going to raise the price in about a week or two, and then I probably won't drop it again for a while. Okay, because I'm going to keep on adding new stuff. I think the course is just going to get more valuable over time. The community is going to grow. We're going to have more free resources. And I think it's really worth the current price point, and it's very valuable. So if you guys are interested, go to agenticjumpstart.com. The link will be in a pinned comment and in the description below. And if you want to kind of join my Discord, I would love to talk to you guys and hear your thoughts on how you have been using Claude Code and Codex and all these tools to really 10x your development speed. Have a good day and happy coding.